What's up, YouTubers? Yesterday I did a video on my backup generator over there. Today I kind of want to show my little solar system, my solar panel system. It's a very cheap one, but it helps me power up some of the stuff. Like during the winter storm, it kind of helped me a little bit to have some backup battery banks. So I kind of want to show you what it is. It's very cheap to do. I didn't even put a bracket. I just basically put it on the fence. So let's check it out. Okay, so basically this is a solar panel from Amazon. It's only $100. I can put a link in the description, or you can comment. I tell you which one I bought. It's a 100-watt solar panel. I just put 2 screws there, and it's got a little lip here, so that's how it's holding it on the fence. Got a little stick here kind of propping it up so it's slanted so the sun can hit it. So right now the sun's hitting it, and then I tied it to an extension cord. It's pretty easy. You just splice the extension cord and just basically tie in the wires and put some weatherproof tape on it. Then I ran that extension cord. I got a very long extension cord. I dug it around the fence line. You won't be able to see it. It comes in here to my generator box, so it's in there. Okay, in here is the extension cord. I wrapped it up right there, and then basically it let's see here. Where is it? Where's the other part? Okay, so it ties into this black cord, which I just cut off of an iron. I put it here on this cheap $10 solar charge controller in the solar panel slots, and then these 2 battery slots go to the batteries in here. I'll show them to you in a minute. And then these last 2 go to this cable here, this cord that goes all the way underground into the house right there. When there's a power outage, I tie them into my solar panel, to my generator, and get power on both outlets. But right now, since there's no power outage, I'm using one for the solar system. And then in here I've got these 2 Harbor Freight 35 watt hour batteries. They were about 50 bucks, but now they're up to like 70 something dollars. Sometimes they have them on special, and I just basically wired them up, negative to negative, positive to positive. If you have any questions, you can comment, and I will answer any of the questions you have. If you want to set this up at home, this charge controller was cheap. It was 10 bucks on Amazon. The box here, I got it at Academy for $7, and it's got little vents, although these are sealed batteries. All right, my mistake. They're 35 amp hour batteries. These are solar batteries. The brand is Thunderbolt Magnum Solar 12 volt 35 amp hour universal battery. You get these at Harbor Freight. I got them on special, $50 a piece. So yes, they should have these in stock at one of your local Harbor Freights. All right, so let's take a look at the inside. I bought this inverter, and I have a few inverters, but I bought this one at Academy for $30, so it wasn't that expensive. Once again, I just tore up an extension cord, one of those cheap Christmas cords, and I tied in positive and negative and just hooked it up to the lead going underground to the box outside. And what I do is I just flick this. It's running off the batteries, which are getting charged by the solar panel. And right now I've got one of my battery banks here charging. And you could just leave it charging. You know, don't leave it on forever, because those batteries eventually outside do get spent. So, you know, I use this to charge my DeWalt batteries, you know, so basically I'm not wasting any electricity. I use it to charge up these Rockpal solar banks, even little battery banks like this. It's at 10%, I need to charge it. And, you know, that's it. So total, you know, $100 for the solar panel. It was probably like $20 for the extension cord. A lot of the little extension cords that I cut up I just got from here. You're looking at $30 for the inverter, and the wiring I already had out there. So total I spent about $200, you know, roughly, you know, about $300. But I've been using these for over a year now, and when there's outages, these battery banks can power up, you know, lights. I can hook the AC here. I can't, you know, hook up strong things like heaters or anything like that, but I can hook up lamps. I can charge phones, even a TV it'll power. One of those APAP machines if you use them to sleep. With this one, I can, you know, charge my laptop, also probably a lamp and some phones. And of course, you know, these right here, you know, you can charge your phone probably like 10 times. And, you know, I use them for a lot of things. These are for my cameras. I charge these too. So pretty much anything that's, you know, low voltage I can charge. You know, of course, my DeWalt batteries. So if you know, if you work with a lot of tools, these come in handy. I've got a lot of other batteries I charge here too, but right now I'm just charging these because I use DeWalt for almost everything. So there you have it. If you want to set up this solar system, you can always comment, and I can give you my email address so I can you know, walk you through it or tell you what to buy. And I hope you like it. It was cheap, and it's worked for a long time, especially where I am in Texas, where, you know, there's a lot of outages in this part, you know, around the Houston area. And you know, I'm never have to struggle with my homemade backup generator or my solar banks. The only thing with the generator is, you know, you got to go out there if it's raining really bad and get it started, but got a raincoat, so that's not so bad. You know, you get it started, you come on in. I got it filled up with gas and the special fluid so that the gas doesn't go bad. So whenever there is a power outage, I'm ready to go. I will talk to you guys later. Please like and subscribe.